Lighthouse for Life family, it's great to be back with you again this morning at the harbor, and we just wanted to give you a real quick update what's happened in the last week or so, and that is painting. Last week you met Jason Atkinson with Tap Painting, and he and his crew have been out most of last week and again today, and you can see behind me the final coat of the paint is going on this week, and we are so excited. It's sure enough taking place. And on the outside, which we'll show you later on, is also a lot of vinyl work that's been done. The pillars have been wrapped, or most of them have. The eaves and the soffit and the ceiling of the porch and the ramp have been wrapped. So a lot going on. These are great days. Hopefully this week the electrician will be back to do his trim outs. The security will be back out to do their trim outs, and then from there we get floor and cabinets and all of that. So we are on the move. God is on the move, and we're so thankful for your prayers and your support.